Papa John's Pizza, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission and Vision of Papa John's Pizza. Papa John's Pizza is one of the most well-known pizza brands in the world. It was started in 1984 by Papa John Schnatter in Jeffersonville, Indiana. The brand is famous for its slogan, Better Ingredients, Better Pizza, and for selling freshly made pizzas for takeout and delivery. The company makes money mainly by selling pizzas and extras, focusing on top-quality ingredients and using modern technology to make ordering easy. Anecdote. The first Papa John's store, opened in a small restaurant, quickly became a favorite spot for local pizza lovers, which started the brand's fast growth. 1. How does a Papa John's pizza franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Papa John's Pizza uses a franchise system, where independent business owners run their own stores following the brand's guidelines. Fee structure. Franchise owners pay a one-time fee of about $25,000 and ongoing fees, royalties, of 5%–8% of their yearly income. Support from Papa John's Pizza. The brand offers full training, help with daily operations, and special marketing campaigns to keep high standards.
Anecdote. One of the first franchise owners started with a small store and later became a key regional leader. His success inspired others to open their own locations.
2. Entry costs for Papa John's Pizza. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. The total starting investment is between $130, $120 and $8444420. This includes the franchise fee, setting up the store, buying equipment, initial stock, training costs, and renovations. Potential earnings. The average yearly income for a store is about $105,000, with a typical net profit of around $68,000.
Anecdote. Legend says that one of the first franchise owners didn't expect such great results, but the profit in the first year exceeded expectations, exciting the whole local community.
3. Step by step. How to register a Papa John's Pizza franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. The registration starts by contacting the brand's development team, who first check the investor's potential. Documentation. You need a complete business plan, financial documents, and detailed information about the planned location. Duration. The whole process usually takes between 6 to 9 months.
Anecdote. One entrepreneur carefully prepared the documents and completed the process in a record 6 months, earning recognition in his region.
4. Taxes and fees in Papa John's Pizza. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Income taxes range from 10% to 35% of yearly income. Property taxes. Property tax is 1% to 5% of yearly income. Only includes costs related to renting or owning the store. State and local taxes. Other fees including sales tax, use tax, and local business fees. 1% 3% of yearly income. Licensing fees. Licensing fees are 5% to 8% of yearly income. Marketing fees. Marketing fees are about 5% to 7% of yearly income.
Anecdote. One owner, by carefully planning taxes, reduced operating costs, which inspired local students learning math through real business examples.
5. Hiring employees in Papa John's Pizza. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical store hires 15 to 20 people. Cooks, customer service staff, and managers. Training costs. Training costs are between $300 and $700 per person, covering an intensive training program. Training systems. The training system combines classroom lessons with practical on-site training.
Anecdote. One manager, after completing training, developed a unique method for excellent customer service, which quickly became a local legend.
6. Papa John's Pizza. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Monthly costs for ingredients range from $15,000 to $25,000. Salaries and benefits. Monthly costs for salaries and benefits are $1,000 to $2,000. Rent and utilities. Rent is $5,000 to $15,000 per month, and utilities, electricity, water, gas, add another $1,000 to $3,000. Maintenance and repairs. Monthly maintenance and repair costs are $500 to $1,000. Licensing and marketing fees. Monthly licensing and marketing fees are $3,500 to $8,000. Total of all taxes. Total taxes are $3,000 to $5,000 per month.
Anecdote. One owner, by optimizing operational costs, introduced a system to monitor expenses, which allowed him to significantly reduce costs and increase profits. This became a big inspiration for others.
7. Training and support. How does Papa John's Pizza help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. An intensive training program lasts about 6 to 8 weeks, teaching managers about management and operations. Operational support. Ongoing operational support includes regular consultant visits and advice. E-learning platform. Access to online training modules allows for continuous learning. Marketing. National and local advertising campaigns support sales and brand recognition.
Anecdote. One franchisee, after completing training, organized a local fair with free tastings, which became an annual tradition and strengthened customer loyalty.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Papa John's Pizza. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Regular inspections by company representatives occur every quarter. Internal inspections. Annual internal audits are required to maintain quality standards. Frequency. Inspections are conducted 3 to 4 times a year.
Anecdote. In one store, an unexpected inspection revealed an exceptionally organized kitchen, resulting in praise from inspectors and boosting the store's reputation.
9. Profitability of Papa John's Pizza. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Papa John's stores achieve stable annual revenues, leading to consistent profits. ROI. The typical return on investment period is 5 to 7 years, with about 5%-10% net profit. Success factors. Key success factors include strong brand recognition, quality ingredients, and an efficient delivery system.
Anecdote. One franchisee recouped his investment in just 5 years, proving the profitability of the Papa John's model and inspiring young entrepreneurs.
10. Papa John's Pizza in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Worldwide, Papa John's has over 5,000 locations, with more than 4,000 in the USA. Growth and expansion. The brand continues to grow. Some regions see annual growth of about 3%, 5%. Challenges and forecast. Despite strong competition in the fast food industry, Papa John's maintains steady growth through product innovations and expanding its offerings.
Anecdote. New menu changes and improved ordering systems led to record sales growth in one region, confirming Papa John's strong market position.
11. Pros and cons of a Papa John's pizza franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong global brand with over 40 years of tradition. B. High-quality ingredients and excellent brand image. Better ingredients. Better pizza. C. Extensive operational support system and comprehensive training for franchisees. Significant market presence with over 5,000 locations worldwide. Cons. A. High initial costs, ranging from $130–120 to $84–444–20. B. Ongoing fees and royalties that can reduce profit margins. C. Intense competition in the pizza segment, requiring continuous improvement. High operational demands requiring full owner commitment.
Anecdote. One ambitious franchisee, despite high costs and strong competition, became a regional leader, setting new service standards and inspiring others to take on the challenge.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Financial assessment. Consultations with experts. Support evaluation. Franchise agreement analysis.
Anecdote. One investor, through detailed analysis and expert consultations, avoided a costly mistake, allowing him to successfully start his business and quickly gain market prestige.
Conclusion. Who is the Papa John's Pizza franchise for and is it worth investing? Papa John's Pizza is an excellent option for entrepreneurial individuals who want to invest in a brand with a strong image and long tradition. An investment ranging from $130–120 to $84–444–20, with average annual revenues of about $100,000 and a net profit of around $68,000, pays off in an average period of 5 to 7 years. If you value corporate support, high product quality, and a proven business model, a Papa John's Pizza franchise might be the perfect solution for you. Anecdote. One local owner not only recouped his investment in 5 years, but also became a role model for young entrepreneurs, showing that passion, determination, and brand support can overcome any barriers. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Dairy Queen. Is Dairy Queen a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.